Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Let's start the second chapter of our syllabus, that is sports and nutrition. Students, in today's world, everyone wants to remain fit and healthy, and food and nutrition plays very important role in our growth and development. जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं, इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड हर कोई फिट एंड हेल्दी रहना चाहता है. सम पीपल डू मॉर्निंग वॉक, मॉर्निंग जॉगिंग, joins gyms to remain fit. And in games and sports, with the help of appropriate nutrition, sports person can enhance their performance. एक स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन जो पूरा दिन प्रैक्टिस करता है, अगर उसे प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिशन, प्रॉपर डाइट ना मिले तो उसकी स्पोर्ट्स परफॉर्मेंस में फर्क पड़ेगा. बैलेंस डाइट. Balanced diet refers to that diet which contain proper percentage of all nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals and vitamins. Students, you all know about balanced diet, that our body requires a proper amount of all type of nutrients such as carbs, fats, proteins, minerals and vitamins. A balanced diet should also contain proper amount of non-nutritive components like water and roughage. Water plays very important role in our body, as you all know. So students, there are some factors which affect balanced diet. So factors affecting balanced diet: age, occupation, gender, feeding mother, climate, weight control. Also, there are so many types of factors. First one is age. Age. Students, balanced diet varies according to age. It is different for different types of individuals. Adults needs much more amount of protein for proper growth and development. Children need proteins and fats more than others. The old persons needs less fatty diet. The second factor affecting balanced diet is occupation. Balanced diet is also affected by occupation, that the people who are working in offices, their job is sitting job, they need less balanced diet. The one who practicing whole day in the ground need more balanced diet. The person who do mental work need more carbohydrates than protein. Athlete require a large quantity of energy rich food, get more calories of energies. The next factor which affects our balanced diet is gender. Students, balanced diet varies with gender. Men needs more calories as compared to women due to physiological and activity needs of body. Men who perform more work, physical type of work, needs even more energy. Next is feeding mother. Feeding mother needs more amount of balanced diet, which requires proteins, fats, carbohydrates, minerals. Next one is climate. Students, the quantity and quality of food depends upon the climate where a person lives. People who lives in colder climate, they need more quantity of balanced diet. Rich fat diet and more heat producing products is required in winters. Less balanced diet is required in summers. Next is weight control. By eating a balanced diet, we can control our weight. A balanced diet can help us to gain weight and maintain the weight gain in the long run. Like if we want to lose our body fats, body weight, then we require a balanced diet, proper amount of diet. And if we want to gain our body weight, then also we require a proper amount of balanced diet. So the next is nutrition. The word nutrition is derived from the Latin word nutrire, means to feed or nourish. It can be defined as three-part process: consumption, digestion, and circulation of food. Nutrition can be considered as a process in which food is consumed for getting energy and growth and development takes place. Students, nutrition can be divided into two parts. First is macronutrients and the other one is micronutrients. Macronutrients, those nutrients which are needed in the body in large amount are called macronutrients. They are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, and water. So students, this is all for today. In the next video, we will discuss in detail about these macronutrients and micronutrients and the rest part of the chapter. And I will also tell you what are the changes done by CBSE in your syllabus. So thank you. Stay safe. Be healthy.